My wife, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yes, I want you to go and cook this chicken for me and my friends, okay?
Okay.
Welcome, guys. Welcome.
My husband,
Yes? Yes, my wife.
this chicken is too innocent. Why are we killing it?
What do you mean? Innocent?
Yes,
Innocent how? It's just a chicken.
my husband.
Just cook it. Cook it. Kill it and cook it. We are waiting for you.
The suffer is real.
This one, the chicken we just brought.
Noura,
Yes,
come. If that one is a chicken, then what is this? A slippers?
don't worry, they are clean.